Damn, big and serious, we here again. Big and serious, we here again. Campaigning again for more notice, more compliments, more followers on social media. That was the dogs welcoming us. You know what I mean? Welcoming all the new subscribers, all the new followers, the new people to the channel. Heal up, and this is mine. Anyway, we're starting the video here today, guys. If all you understand eco luxury, y'all understand greens Arab and all that. New to the channel. Normally I do these campaigns, right? These beach pop-up, these beach campaigns. You know what I mean? Looking for more notice as always. Yeah, yes sir. Looking for more compliments on my eco luxury. Let me take care off. Yeah, have a look. Sorry. Yeah, big and serious. My eco luxury, greens era, all handmade. Going on campaign today with some new earrings. You know what I mean? Got some new earrings. Have a look, have a look, have a look. New bracelets. Hold on. I'm blocking the road. Look at this shit. This is. Hi. See ya, big as shit. Check it, son. You outside looking for more notice again. New necklaces, new bracelets. Take a look at this new shell necklace. Big and serious. Got some earrings to match, as you can see. Options, options, options. Wide variety. Then we have a new collection, natural wood collection. Check out the bracelets to go with it. Check out the anklets to go with it. W's, big W's in the chat. So new collection also. Got this one and this one here. Woo! So you're outside. Gonna look for you guys. So before we go, guys, wish me good luck. You know what I mean? Like the video, comment, you know what I mean, how y'all want me to interact with the people today. Comment what you think about my outfit. Well, I'm gonna take this off. You know, I'm wearing my green Zara t-shirt, you know what I'm saying? I got my green Zara t-shirt on, I got my necklace, you know what I'm saying? I got some other accessories hiding, but I should show them off, right? 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 We look like we're repping the greens today. How we looking repping the greens today? Talk to me. Alright, big ass here. So let me put this away and I'll get back to all this. This cook need to go in my bag and I'm about to walk out on the beach, greet the people, good day, good afternoon. My hair looking real nappy today. I didn't put a comb in it. Wow, let's see how the people would react. Let's see if anybody comment on my hair or be like, 3 seconds going on logs to like you start back going on logs, boy. Let me see if anybody comments and see if I start back growing my log big and serious. So. Anyway, put away the coke and get campaigning big and serious. See you all in the next one. Peace and love.